What is going on? I got just the best news today. Today we are going to have mail time. I have won some contests. You know, you always say like, man, that never happens to me. Well, it happened to me. I am so freaking excited on the luck that I've had recently. So I cannot wait to share it with you. So stay tuned and let's have mail time. Alright, so the first couple packages I did not win. I actually ordered them. It was 4th of July, a lot of stuff on sale, and I just could not pass up on a good deal. So, first one is from Bunker Branding. I love watching Demolition Ranch, and the Bunker Branding shirts are pretty cool. So, I like this one, and I bought it. So, let's open it up. Alright. This is totally not the shirt I ordered, but it still looks cool. Alright, so this is a surprise to me as well, because this is not the shirt I ordered. Alright, I will show it to you. Alright, it is a Demolition Ranch shirt. Okay. It has the Demolition Ranch shirt in red, white, and blue. The one I had ordered had like an Indian skull on it with some tomahawks, but okay, I will take this one as well. So all right, God bless the USA. All right, Demolition Ranch, my favorite YouTube channel. All right, next up, okay, this is from GORUCK. Okay, I actually ordered something else from GORUCK. It's taking forever to get here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. This is actually something I ordered back in June. It was here, I'll just talk about it after I open it. I love how they send stickers with their stuff. Alright, this is a t-shirt honoring the 77th anniversary of D-Day. I did the D-Day challenge. I think there was a D-Day wad, and there was also the option to do like ruck 7 miles or something like that. And when I found out my grandmother's cousin was involved with D-Day, and my grandfather, I had to get it. I was just when I did some research and found out how he died, it was just it was pretty amazing. My grandmother's cousin survived actually Normandy and passed away in France like 7 months later. So I had to get a t-shirt on that. That was just really cool. Okay. Alright, now to what I won. Okay, it was a contest put on by Exo Skin, and it was kind of they collaborated with Salty Britches, and so I won, and it's just awesome. So let's open it up and check it out. So I got this package here, and I got this one. This one right here. This one should be in the box, but apparently somebody from Exo Skin opened up the Salty Britches and used it. So Salty Britches had to contact me to get another one, send me one, and got some new Salty Britches. This is a skin barrier ointment. This is a great product if you are at the beach, if you are in fitness, if you are competing in anything, running, any sort of fitness event. It's water resistant, and you know, it's not going to leave that white residue like some chafing ointments. So this is a really great stuff right here. Salty Britches. I have a link below and a code BRADLORD20 if you want to save 20% on Salty Britches. Alright, so thank you. Alright, now the big box. Let's go ahead and get it open. Now also, if you notice, I got my 3 of 7 project shirt on. So all this stuff is like big. This is what 3 of 7 Project uses. They use Exo Skin, they use Salty Britches, and so I know I hear about them all the time when I listen to the podcast with Chad Wright, and I know they're great products, so I'm super pumped to get what I'm getting. All right. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, all right. All right, I got some more Salty Britches in here. Oh my God. All right, boom. I got a hat. I love hats. If you know me, you know I love hats. And this one, oh my God, this hat will definitely keep me seen during my F3 workouts. Fits good, looks good. It's got the Exo Skin logo on it, and oh man, this is got a leather patch, Salty Britches hat, got the hang 10 symbol. What you think? Looks pretty good to me. All right, also got more Salty Britches and stickers. Oh my goodness, look at that. Boom, boom. This is the winter ointment. Got more of the rucking ointment, skin barrier ointment. It's military themed with the logo. It's got this logo on it right there. Dude, this is great. This is like Christmas in July, you know what I'm saying? All right. Okay, here's the good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna have to come back and do some reviews on this, just FYI, because right here I got some underwear. Now I will not show you me putting this on, but yes, I got some underwear right here. Yeah, ain't nothing like putting on new underwear. All right, hold on a sec. I'm gonna put it on. I got the Exo Skin underwear on. Man, okay, I see why Chad Wright runs in this. Like, man, it has compression in all the right places. It's like mainly around the thighs. So like, I don't know. I cannot wait to go train in this stuff. So I'm gonna do a few F3 workouts in these bad boys, and I'm gonna let you know. This is great. I'm super excited. Next up from Exo Skin is socks. Now I tried to get the ones that Chad Wright won the Mid-State Mile in, like same style. I heard him mention them on the podcast. So these are the toe socks. Okay, I think they're I don't know if they're the ankle ones. Let's see. The crew socks. All right, they're the quarter crew Exo toe. There we go. All right, so here I'll show you me putting these on my feet. All right. I have never had toe socks before. This is going to be totally different. Oh my God, that's so weird. Yeah, this is totally new to me. But they fit each toe. Like, I guess they're made to fit each toe. All right, you see, they're very breathable. You can see like it's got holes in them where you can see my skin right there, I guess, so I don't get swamp foot. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to try them out to see. I definitely going to an F3 workout in the morning, so I will try them out along with my underwear and hat. All right, I got one more piece of just great news. Okay, this is I just cannot believe this last thing I'm going to tell you has happened. All right, I entered another contest, and it does involve 3 of 7 Project. It was Joe Chura. He is the host of the Not Almost There podcast. Well, he posted he was going to pay for 2 people to go to the proving grounds this January in 2022. and I was selected, and I'm just beyond grateful for this opportunity, because this is just something I never thought I was going to get to do. It's something that I wanted to do desperately, and or either that or the basic course, but I'm going to get to go to the Proving Grounds, and I am thrilled about it, I'm telling you. And now I got all the gear to go, so it's going to be great. So hit the subscribe button. Go follow Joe Chura. Go follow 3 of 7. Go follow Exo Skin. Go follow Salty Britches. All these people are awesome. They are just great, and I want to thank all of you for choosing me to win these products, and kind of represent you in a way. I'm glad I get to share this on YouTube and promote your product, and also want to promote GORUCK, because I do represent them as well, and they also produce great products. So thank you for watching today. Stay tuned for a review on these products, and Exo Skin. Can't wait to try them out. It's just motivated me to get out and go do something. So I will see you in the next video. See you next time.